Hey guys, it's Fat Cat. Today's review is gonna be Cars the movie. So yeah, I haven't seen these the sequels 2 and 3. I never seen those. I just seen the first one. So yeah, and yeah. So first off, I'm gonna tell you all the parts that I remember because I haven't seen it in a while. Like the part um where um where Lightning McQueen freaking drugs backwards. That's actually one of that's actually one of my favorite parts of the movie. Um, so yeah, and the part where he gets like a makeover or something like that. He like gets fixed up, new tires, boom, things like that. He gets repainted and all that, and stuff like that. And and the part where he meets Mater and stuff like that. And acting is pretty good as well, and stuff like that. And animation's pretty good as well. So yeah, and it's a pretty good movie. When you're bored or something or pissed off or something, and stuff like that. Um, and soundtrack is good too. So yeah, which is pretty cool. Um, so yeah, soundtrack is jamming as well. So yeah. So yeah, this movie dope, and yeah. Um, I believe that we had this movie on DVD. If I can't remember, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we had this movie on DVD, same with Finding Nemo and all that. um, yeah, that's pretty much it. I got nothing else to say about it. Peace.